To Gariautocare, I'm Team Wire. Right now I have another Volkswagen. It's a Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has a problem with misfiring, so I'm going to use my diagnostic machine to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main problem. So engine, so here the fault code is P1238, which is fuel injector cylinder 2 open circuit. Then we have P0302, which is cylinder 2 misfire detected. So the main fault code is P1238, which is fuel injector cylinder 2 open circuit. So I'm going straight to the cylinder 2 to see if there is an open circuit or any loose sockets can cause or can trigger that type of the code. So let's go and see. So this is the injector number 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is some looseness in injector number 2. See, don't have lock. Look at this. So I'm going to swap the injector 2 socket like this. The code P1238 can cause by several things. It's not only the open circuit, sometimes can caused by the ECU itself, sometimes can caused by the injector itself. So the problem can be the injector, ECU, and any open circuit somewhere. In this vehicle, the code P1238 is caused by a broken socket. Just so I'm replacing the new socket of injector number 2. Go. I think we are done. So we are going back to clear the fault code in the system. Now we are done. So the next is to clear the fault code from the system like this. There's not any fault code detected. See, so right now it's smooth, it's very smooth. Let's go and confirm.